Yes, welcome students of class 9th. Now chapter, science subject, chapter number 2 is matter around us below. Now in this chapter, we are taking today up very important topic that colloids. So it is in new syllabus also, revised syllabus, colloids. So children, what is colloid? So point C this, colloidal is a solution. See, let's we work on the basics before start. Solution is equal to solute plus solvent. Okay, now similarly here we talking about colloidal solution. Colloidal solution or another suspension we have studied. Now colloidal solution is a normally heterogeneous solution. Heterogeneous solution of mixture. This is the one point. Colloidal solution. So children, we will study this colloidal solution. Exactly what is a colloidal solution? Means solution in which size of particles lies those of the true solution and suspension. Means the particle size lies between the true solution and suspension is known as a colloidal solution. So colloidal, or another words we can speak like this, colloidal solution is the intermediate solution between true solution and suspension. Before that, true solution concept is very important to understand, and suspension also. Now all these topics we have studied. Now here we are taking this colloidal solution. So children, colloidal solution, see this. Okay, so we can write the first definition of colloidal solution, children. So colloidal solution, solution in which size of particles lies between true solution and suspension. True solution and suspensions. True solution and suspension. This is the point. Or we would say colloidal solution is intermediate solution between true solution and suspension. This is a concept, key concept, right? It is an intermediate solution between. Now children, particle size, you see particle size greater than 1 nanometer. This is a true solution. Now if the particle size 10 to 100 nanometer, this is a range. So this is our colloidal solution. Colloidal solution. Now next solution is suspension. So children, suspension range is 10 to this. So we can write as the nanometer. Okay. So this is a particle size. True solution particle size is this. Colloidal solution particle size is this. And suspension particle size is this. So when you will see the size in solution, solute particles are very minute. Now in colloidal, this size increases, and you see the size of minute particle increases in suspension. All right. So this is the concept of. So children, number one concept again we are telling is solutions in which size particles lies between true solution and suspension. This is a concept of colloidal solution. Now Next, children, very important, due to relatively small size of particles, these mixtures appears to be homogeneous, but actually, children, there is a one point in this, in colloidal solution, there due to, children, there is very important, due to relatively small in size, they appear like homogeneous, but they are heterogeneous in nature. Okay, this point is very popular in respect of colloids. So children, one point is there when again for due to relatively small size, right, and you see small particle size, they appear like a homogeneous, but practical they are heterogeneous in nature. So this is the one important point, colloidal solution. Now next point, composition. Children, composition means colloidal solution is made up of two components, dispersed phase plus dispersion medium. Dispersion medium, or whether we can say small parts. This is a solute, this is a small part. Dispersed phase is small part of the solution, dispersion large part of the solution. So children, dispersed phase, colloidal solution is made of dispersed phase plus dispersion medium. Okay, so next in this way, right, colloidal solution is made up of turn, dispersed phase and dispersion medium, right? So in this way we can see there are at least colloidal solution 9 times of 8 times normally colloidal solution form. So we can see we are design a table, right? Okay, table, that is the table is here. Number 1 table, here is a 1 2 3 4 dispersed phase, dispersion medium, dispersion medium, right, and the type of an example. Okay, so this table is really very important. Okay, type. So first we are taking example solid. Okay, if dispersed phase is solid and dispersion medium is also solid, so solid forms a, this is a solid solve. Dispersed phase is solid, dispersion medium, this is large, and type of colloid, right? Type of colloid solve. So either example is gemstone or colored substances. Now this is one. Second example, if we take between, if the dispersed phase is solid, dispersion medium liquid, or solid is dispersed phase, liquid, dispersion medium, so the type is sol. Okay, and here we can take example in sol, starch sol and gold sol. Now third type of, this is that solid, and this third type, solid or gas. Dispersed phase is a gas phase and gas is this. So solid is dispersed phase, so we can write here solid aerosol. solid aerosol. So now you can consider in your surrounding what are the example of this. So smoke, dust storm, smoke, dust storm, and very important, automobile exhaust, they are the solid aerosol. Now fourth type of member we can take 1, 2, 3 and fourth type of colloids. They will form between liquid solid. If the dispersed phase is this and liquid and the solid. Fourth is a liquid solid. So example type of colloid, gel. So check the examples in this category. Regular we eat butter, cheese, jelly, cheese, butter. Very important example. Some there were liquid is all gel, jelly, cheese. Now in exams he will ask you cheese. What is the dispersed phase of dispersion medium of cheese and solid? So you can write, and which type of colloid it is. So you will write this is a gel. Now next point is a liquid. Fifth, both are liquid. Liquid colloidal solution. So emulsion. Okay, emulsion. So normally emulsions, liquid. Example are colloidal milk or face cream. Okay, milk and face cream, they are example of emulsions. So liquid colloidal solution is known as emulsions. Example milk and face cream. Now liquid and gas. And 6, liquid gas. It is completely aerosol. Here we are saying solid aerosol, now aerosol. Now see, if this combination you see, so we name it is a type of aerosol. Example in the venting, for the fog is formed, cloud is formed, mist is formed. So fog, clouds, mist, they are all fog, mist. Or you see aerosol spray, they are all aerosol, children. Okay. Now one more, 7. So liquid, gas. Now we will take a gas liquid. If dispersed phase gas and liquid. Okay, dispersed phase gas, dispersion medium is liquid. Now we can take gas or liquid, right? So example type is foam. Okay, if this type combination is known as type of colloid is foam, and foam is a foam, rubber and pumice stone. Pumice stone are the examples, foam. And then children, next form you see gas or solid. Okay, if this is a combination of gas and solid, children, right, it is known as solid form. And consider what are the examples comes in. So solid form, gas or solid, right? So gas or solid form, pumice stone, rubber, sponge, bread, so they are called this. This is solid form. Now children, if the makes very important point on the nature of a solvent, right? So children, first let me revise once this. Now solid questions may ask, they may give example, one of the example, and identify the type of colloid. So suppose question may ask you milk is which type of colloid this? So you write emulsion. Question may ask smoke, which type of colloid this? Solid aerosol. Okay, goldzol, which type of solid? Goldzol. Right? So fog is which type of colloid? So you will write aerosol. Now what are the dispersed phase and dispersion medium? So you will report like this. Dispersed phase is liquid and dispersion medium is gas. So children, question may be generated like this also. Now next we are telling, right, on the basis of solvent, children. Okay, this is I am rubbing. children, on the basis of solvent. Okay, on this, if dispersion medium alcohol, right, water, benzene. If dispersion medium colloid is alcohol, so name of the zol, children, name of the zol. Okay, so alcohol, alcohol, we will say aqueous if the alcohol is there, right? So we will say name will give alcohol. If water, aquazole. If there is benzene, so benzozole. Now one more, water is aquazole, alcohol is aquazole, and if which is gases, if dispersion mediums are gases only, so we will write aerosol. So sometimes this alcohol, why it is called aquazole, benzozole and aerosol. Children, these are the different types of aerosol. A-E-R-O-S-O-L. So children, name of those all. If water is there in dispersion medium, if water is present in dispersion medium in colloid, so it is known as aquazole. If benzene is present, benzozole, and water is present, aquazole or sometimes hydrozole, or if alcohol is there, aquazole. If gases are there if in colloid gases are there, so known as aerosol. So children, this is informative. These are very important. So children, we can say these are the different types of colloids with examples. Now next, children, so these are types of alcohol. They are depends upon the nature of dispersion medium. Okay, now after this, children, we will take the application or properties of colloid. In next video, we will explain the properties of colloid and the application of colloids in our daily life, right children? So thank you children, bye bye, we will see you.